Hi, my name is Arlen Travis. I had some catastrophic health issues about 3 or 4 years ago. That would be 3 years ago now, and ended up in the hospital for close to 6 weeks. I had actually had an infection in my blood that got into my the bone marrow in my back and created little boreholes in my lower uh, lower spine, and and ended up in the hospital for two different reasons. One was that blood infection had gotten into my heart and compromised my heart, so I had open heart surgery, and then I had and ended up in the hospital for about a month after that, and then I had the spine issues and ended up back in the hospital, and then had my first back surgery back in 2022. I came to see BettyLou. She was working with me in between the heart surgery and the back surgery in 2022 to help get me back in shape after the experience in the long time hospital experience, and then went through the back surgery, and then she helped me out after the back surgery, and then and the back surgery was a laminectomy. It was semi-successful. I went through that for about a year and a half, and then that failed, and then went through a full-on fusion in my lower back, and and then I'm coming back out of that. Was in physical therapy, kind of wrapped up the physical therapy, and then I came to Betty Lou, to her practice, Rise and Reframe Physical Therapy, to talk about a program where not only would I be doing physical therapy, the traditional PT, but also working with a gym to build up muscle mass. And because that's the one thing that I hadn't been doing, and I needed the muscle mass to compensate for the compromised bone structure. So she's been working with me on that for about a month now, and she put together a program for me with the gym, so that the trainers at the gym follow through a set of exercises that are set up for somebody who's been injured. So it's not set up for somebody that wants to build muscle, or compete in beach competitions. This is for just somebody that needs to recover. So that's been really, really good. I can see a huge difference. I see a huge difference in it doesn't look good on camera, I'm sure, but I see a huge difference in muscle tone, and definitely a huge difference in posture, which just goes to show how bad it was, maybe, than how good it is. So really enjoy working with her. She works. She's got a good demeanor. She's good with people, and she's very talented at what she does. She's probably got a very wide range of aptitudes. So I think that I don't know that it necessarily. I wouldn't want to limit her and just say it's just people like me. I think in my case, she is very, very good for somebody like me. And when I say like me, it's somebody that is coming from a very minimal place and needs to get built back up. So she definitely can deal with somebody who's going from the bottom up. I also think she's good for somebody like me because I have memory issues, and so somebody that's patient with somebody that's got married memory issues is really important. You just have to be patient with them. So I don't want to limit her in saying, oh, you have to be super dysfunctional and she's just great with the special kids on the special bus. No, I think she's probably very talented. And I think if you probably in your 20s playing softball and you pulled your shoulder and you wanted to get back into the softball game again, she'd probably get you there faster than most. I would think she'd be good at that too. So 100% recommend her. And she is, first of all, I think she's super knowledgeable. I've learned a lot, and secondly, I've gained a lot by her knowledge, and third, I think she translates well and she works. She put together a really good program for me, and she's able to work it out for somebody at my level.